Okay, let us start the algorithm dynamic programming approach. Okay, uh, for that we are going to use two tables. One is a m, another one is what? S. The m table is going to store the minimum multiplications. Okay, minimum number of what multiplication needed for multiplying the matrices. The table two that it is actually a matrix. Okay, the S is another table which is going to maintain the split position. Okay, so what is the purpose of that S will be discussed later. Okay, so while updating that M, our main table is what M. While updating that M, that S also will get what updated. Okay, so since this is actually a array whose size is a matrix whose size is a square matrix whose size is equivalent to what the number of matrices. Number of matrices here is what? 4 matrices. We have taken this example, the same example. Okay, number of matrices is what? 4. N equal to what? 4. Okay, so that what this size is what? 4 by 4 matrix. The S is also what? 4 by 4. Okay, equal to. But we have drawn only one of. Okay, other of we are not at all going to what be used. So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, like that only we are going to take. This side I, this side what? J. If I represent I comma j means what? For example, 2 comma 3 means m of 2, 3 is here, 2 comma 3 means what? This box. Correct. This box is what? 2 comma what? 3. Similarly, m of 4 comma 3 means m of 4 is this and 3 is what? This. 4 comma 3 is actually not there. So we are not at all going to be used this water cells. So that we have not drawn. Even if you drawn, no problem. Okay. So only we have drawn this side. Similarly, what? 3 comma 4. 3 comma what? 4 means this angle. So this cell means what? 1 comma 2. Like that we have to take consider. Okay, so this also in this also we need only this boxes. Okay, the remaining of is not needed for what? Yes. Okay, here also what? This side I, this side what? J. So our aim is what? We need to find m of 1 comma 4. Correct? M of what? 1 comma 4. M of 1 comma 4 means what? 1 comma 4 is this box. So this is your final what result. So this we need to obtain. You have to fill it. To fill this I need to fill what? All other boxes. That's all. Because 1 comma 4 means the length equal to what? 4. Length equal to 4 means a1, a2, a3, a4. That multiplication, to multiply that matrices, what is the minimum multiplication? Like that we have to use it. But as per the dynamic programming approach, we need to what? Solve the problems with sub-problems with what? Smaller sizes. Smaller sizes means what? When the number of matrices equal to 1, that is what? Length equal to 1, length equal to 2, length equal to 3. Then what? We have to come to what? Length equal to 4. Like that we are going to start solve. So let us assume first start with length equal to what? 1. So we are going to solve the problems, okay, with length equal to 1. Length equal to 1 means we have the matrices A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, 4 matrices. So what are the possible what multiplication? That is a possibility for length equal to 1. Length equal to means only 1 matrices. A1 to A1, A2 to A2, A3 to A3, A4 to A4, like that. So we need to what? Find m of 1 comma 1, 1 to 1, A1 to A1, m of 2 to 2, okay, and m of 3 to what? 3, and m of 4 to 4. That is the 4 possibilities, 4 values we need to find. With the L equal to 1, where we are having 4 values that need to be what? Determined. It is nothing but what? M of 1 to 1 this field, 2 to 2 this field, and 3 to 3 this field, and 4 to 4 this field. So these fields needs to be what? Filled first. 4. That is what? Length equal to what? 1. Okay, length equal to 1. 4 fields has to be what filled. So, but here for length equal to 1 for this 4 field for determining, no need to apply what this formula. This formula we have written, that is not needed to what apply, because length equal to means only one matrices. One matrices means what? For multiplying that matrix, no multiplications is actually needed. A1 to A1 means what? A1 is the result. So no need of multiplying that A1 with any other matrices. In that case, A1 itself a result. So the number of multiplication needed there is what? 0. So for multiplying one matrix, okay, that means what? A1, A2, A3, A4 like that. So the number of multiplications needed is equal to what? 0. Okay, so no need to apply. That is the smallest sub problem. It will be known values. So no need to apply this formula. Okay, so just what we can fill that. What is that? So this field will be with a 0 and a 0 and a 0 and a 0. So we have solved all the sub problem with length equal to what? 1. Similarly, we need to go for what? Length equal to 2. So length equal to 2 means L equal to 2. How many combinations we need to find? Now we need to find L equal to 2. So what are the multiplications we have to find? What are the result we need to find? L equal to what? 2. See that series. Series is actually what? A1 series is actually what? A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, we are not going to change that order, correct? So order of the position of that matrices. With the length equal to 2, what are all the possible multiplications in this series? One is A1, A2 can be multiplied. But A1, A3 cannot be what? Multiplied. So one combination is what? A1, A2. Another combination is what? A2 will be multiplied with what? A3. So A2 what? A3. Another combination is what? A3, A4. Only what? 3 possible values. That is A1, A2 can be multiplied, A2, A3 can be multiplied, and A3, A4 can be what? Multiplied. We cannot multiply A1, A3 or A1, A4, A2, A4, no other combinations, because we should not change the order of what? Matrix positions. In this order of matrices, what are the possible matrix multiplication with what? Length equal to what? 2. That we have to find it. So A1, A2, A2, A3 and only what? A3, A4, that's all. So that things we need to find. So what are the multiplication needed for multiplying these two matrices, these two matrices like that. So it is nothing but what? M of 1, 2. M of what? 1, 2. So what is the possibility? Only K equal to what? 1, 2. This is I here and this is what? J. So you see that 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. In the diagram, just check this. 1, 2, where it is? Here. 1, 2. Next 2, 3, where it is? Here. And 3, 4, where it is? Here. So 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. These 3 need to be what? Determined. So these 3 fields are nothing but length equal to what? 2. Correct? So that we are going to find it. So we filled this one. Okay. Next we need to fill what? This one. Okay. So here for finding that we are going to apply that formula. Okay. In that formula what? K has to be substituted with what? I plus 1 up to what? J minus 1. So J is a 2. Started from 1 and then end with what? 1. J minus 1 means what? 1. So only one possibility is there. That is what? K equal to what? 1. K equal to 1. So if you apply that K equal to 1 here, okay, so M of 1, 1 plus M of what? 2, 2, okay, so M of 1 comma 1 plus m of what 2 comma 2 plus, so this formula is what pi minus 1 k pk pj. Okay, pi minus 1 means what? p0. K means p1 and pj. Okay, pj is what 2, so p2, p1, p0, p1 and what p2. So now to determine this we need these answers m of 1 comma 1 2 comma 2. This problem is what already we have solved, because length equal to 1 problem is what already solved. So just what substitute the values. So 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 everything will be what 0. Okay, so here 0 multiplications needed, 0 multiplications needed. Here p0 p1 p2 values that we have to what taken from that input. So p0 p1 and what p2, just write down, copied here, I will copy that. That is what 5 comma 3 comma 4 comma 2 comma what 6. So these are the p values. Okay, so p0 p1 p2, so this is a 0 1 2 3 4 p0 p1 p4, p0 5 p1 3 and p2 is what 4. So what is that values? Okay, so what is the result we are obtaining for that is 60, correct? So we are getting what 60. So that is that m value. So that here only one combination. Okay, there is no more k values. So final will be what the 60 only. Minimum is what the 60 only. So that need to be filled for m of what 1 comma 2. So that need to be what filled in that m of 1 comma 2. So we have to fill it m of 1 comma 2. 1 means what I1 j2 here. So that need to be filled with what 60. This we got it. That corresponding 1 comma 2 in that s. Previously 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 that s value is not there. No need to fill it. But when you are filling that 1 comma 2 in that m, by that time we need to fill that corresponding s value. The corresponding s value means for which k value you have obtained this minimum. Which split position you obtained that minimum. Which split position you obtained, that k equal to what 1. So that 1 has to be what filled here. Correct. So s of 1 comma 2 will be filled with that corresponding split position. Okay, and then that values 1 comma 2 value will be that final value. Like that we have to what fill it. Correct. So the next you go for the next value, that is a2 a3, that is what m of 2 comma 3. Here there is one was possibility k equal to what 2, because I2 what j minus 1 only. So k equal to 2. Split position is what only 2. Because here only we can split what like a2 by a3 like that only. So here play that formula m of 2 comma what 2 plus m of 2 plus 1, that is a 3 comma what 3 plus here what is that formula pi minus 1. I is the j, that is a p1 and pk p2 and pj is what 3, that is a p3. Okay, so I minus 1 j, sorry k and then what j, that's all. So I minus 1 means p1 p2 and then what p3. So 2 comma 2 0, 3 comma 3 0. So p1 p2 p3 values will be taken from here, that is a p1 p2 p3 3 4 and then what 2. So that answer is so 24. Okay, so here we obtained the 24 for k equal to what 2, that need to be filled here. We obtained 2 comma 3 here. we obtained the minimum multiplication 24 for k equal to what? 2. So that need to be filled here. Okay, for k equal to 2, we obtain the minimum multiplication 24 to multiply the matrices A2 to what? A3. Okay, so that we have filled. The next, third one, that is what? M of 3, 4, A2, A3, A4. So what is the possibility? Is only one possibility. K equal to what? 3. K equal to 3. K equal to 3 means M of I comma K 3 comma 3, M of K plus 1 to that J. K plus 1 is a 4, 4 comma what? 4 plus P I minus 1. This is I and J. Okay, I minus 1 P2. K position is a 3 P3 and J is a 4 P4. Okay, so what is the number of multiplication needed? So it is what? Here also what? Only one combination. Okay, no more combinations for that K. Only one option. So that need to be an answer. So here 0 plus 0 and then what? P2, P3 and then what? P4. So P2, P3, P4, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 2 and 6. 4, 2 and what? 6. So that answer is what? 8, 48. 48. So to multiply the A3 to A4, we need minimum multiplication as what? 48 with the split position as what? 3. So that has to be what? Filled here. So M of 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4 minimum multiplication needed is a 48 with the split position as what? 3. That has to be what? So now we have solved all the sub problems with length equal to what? 4. Then I need to move for what? Length equal to 3. So the sub problems with what? Length equal to 3. Once we have filled it, we can go with what? The length equal to 4. So the next what? Length equal to 3. That's sub problems with length equal to 3. So L equal to what? 3. So what is the sub problems available? That we have to what? Fill it. Determine. Okay. So again what? The input matrices are A1, A2, A3. What are the possible what matrix multiplications with what? Length equal to 3 without changing the order of matrix positions? Okay, one is what? First 3 matrices can be multiplied. A1, A2, what? A3. A1, A2 and A3. Another possibility is only what? A2, A3, A4. We can start with what? A2, A3, A4. That sequence of matrices. A2, A3 and then what? A4. Correct? So these only 2 possibilities. No more possibilities are there. If we start with A3 means only we have the length equal to 2. Okay. Also what? We cannot change the order. A1, A3, A4 like that we cannot multiply. A2 and then A1, A2 and A4 like that also what? We cannot multiply. Okay. So we cannot change that order. So that are only 2 possibilities. It means that A1, A2, A3 and then what? A2, A3, A4. It is nothing but what? M of what? 1, 3. So I need to find M of first one to be determined is what? M of 1, what? 3. That we have to what? Find. Correct? So for this there are 2 possibilities. This is IA and this is J. Correct? This is IA and this is J. Okay, there are 2 possibilities. K start split position is what? Either at 1 and 2 up to what? As per that algorithm here, K equal to started from IA, I plus 1 up to J minus 1. J is a 3, 3 minus 1 is a 2. So K equal to 1, K equal to what? 2. So there are 2 possibilities here. Okay, so one is a K equal to what? 1. Another one is what? K equal to what? 2. The split position equal to what? 2. What are the 2 possibilities? First come to that K equal to 1. K equal to 1 means that split occur at what? 1. So it means that A1 and then what? A2, A3 like that. Okay, the split occur at what? A1 and then A2, A3, like that. Okay, it means that the left side means what? M of 1 comma 1 plus right side is what? M of 2 comma 3, that is a k plus 1 to j, that is what? 2 comma 3 plus the formula we have got I minus 1 kj. Okay, here I is what? 1 p0. Okay, j is that 3 p3, cut position is 1, so p1, so p0 p1 and then what? P3. Okay, so now what is that value here? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3 will be taken from what? The table. 1 comma 1 is the 0. So what is the minimum multiplication for needed for what? 2 comma 3. So that only what? The smaller size problems are what? Already solved. So that value will be taken from here. So 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 number of multiplication here is what? 24. So that will be taken from the table here. It is called as the dynamic programming approach. We are obtaining the already solved solution from the table. Okay, so that's a problem. That is 24 will be taken from here. And then P0, P1, P3 you take from here. P0, P1 and then what? P3. P3 is that is a 5. P1 is 3 and this P3 is 2. Okay, so just if you multiply this and then add that. So what answer is what? 54. We should not update immediately. We should not what? Update immediately. The algorithm is what? Among these possibilities, which one is the minimum that we need to find? Okay, but here in this length equal to 2, only one possibility, so that what we have updated immediately. So now 54 we are getting for this combination. Similarly, what we need to what? Check this combination. That is what? K equal to 2. K equal to 2 means what? It is nothing but what? A1, A2, A3. This is our series. Okay, A1, 2, 3. In that the split position is the 2. So if you split occur here. So in that case, we need to what? Multiply M of what? 1 to 2. That is what? I comma j, k plus M of k plus 1 to j. That is what? 3 to 3. M of what? 3 to 3. That is on that right side, plus that algorithm what? Pi minus 1. I minus 1 is a P0. Last Pj. Pj is a P3. Now the cut position is the k equal to what? 2. So P2. Okay, here P1 in the middle, here P2 in the middle. That's all. Okay, so now these values will be taken from what? The table. So just you go refer the table 1 comma 2. What is that 1 comma 2? M of 1 comma 2 is a 60. So it is taken as what? 60. And then 3 comma 3 it is 0. Okay, single matter, length equal to 0 1 means length 0. 0, 2 and 3 is taken from the input. 0, 5 and last one is the 2 and P2 is nothing but what? 4. P2 is nothing but what? 4. So now the number of multiplication, so it is what? 100. Among these, which one we need to choose? That is this one. Okay, that is a 54. The split occur at what? 1, like that we have to what? Choose. So from this 2, okay, which one should be filled for M of 1 comma 3 means the minimum one. So I have to what? Choose this as that minimum. Okay, it is marked as what? A minimum. So that need to be what? Filled there. So 54. Okay, so the 54 has to be what? Filled for what? M of 1 comma what? 3. M of 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. Now it is this field. This will be filled with what? 54. Okay, so minimum multiplication. So on which we are getting that minimum at what? The split position k equal to what? 1. That has to be what? Filled in that corresponding s. S of 1 comma 3 will be filled with what? 1 k. Okay, split position is what? K. That is what? Filled there. So now we have got the values for 1 to what? 3. Another one is there in the length equal to 3. That is what? 2 to what? 4. that is A2, A3, A4, that is m of 2 to 4. So we need to find m of what 2 to 4, that has to be what determined. Okay, again there is two possibility. One is what k equal to 2, k start with what equal to 2. Another one is what k equal to what 3. K equal to 4, no need to do. Okay, k equal to 2 or what k equal to 3. So now we need to what k equal to 1 means that is a 2 to 4, A2, A3 and A4. These matrices, the split occur at what 2, that is the thing. Okay, so we need to write m of what m of A2 to 2, that is what 2 comma 2 plus A3 and A4, correct, here A4. Okay, so m of what 3 to 4, as per the formula I to k, k equal to 2, this is I and this is j. Okay, so I to k and k plus 1 to j plus, as per the formula I minus 1, I minus 1 p1, last one is the pj, that is a p4, and middle one is the k, pk, pk is a p2. Okay, so that value I have to find. This m2 comma 2, that will be 0, and m3 comma 4, 3 to 4 will be taken from the table. 3 comma 4 is a 48. Okay, m of 3 comma 4 is 48, and p1 p2 p4 values will be taken from that input array. What we want, that 1 to 4, 1 to 4, that is a 3, 4, and p4 is a 6, 1 to 4. Okay, so the answer will be 1 to 0. So that is 3 into 4 into 6 is a 72. 72 plus 48, 120. Okay, so that is one option. So another option, if the cut made on that 3, that is input is that A2, A3 and A4. Okay, the split occur at the 3. Okay, that one is a 4. Okay, now that is 2 to 3, m of 2 comma 3 plus m of 4 to 4 plus pi minus 1, that is a p1. Okay, pj last, that is a p4, pk in the middle, that is a p3. So now this result, these values will be taken from the table. 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 is 2 and 3, so that is a 24. So when you look at 2 comma 3, don't pick from here 2 and 3 like that. So I is this, j is this one. So 2 comma 3, 24, and this one will be the 0, 4 comma 4. P1 P4 is a 3 and 6, and P3 and P3 here is what 2. Okay, so that will be taken from, that is a 2. Okay, taken from this table P1 P4 and P2, that is a 2, sorry P3 2. So now this value will be, I think, only 60. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 6, 36, 36 plus 24 is 60. Okay, so among these two we need to choose the minimum. Okay, for multiplying the matrices from 2 to 4, okay, if you choose this order you will get the 60. So I need to choose this as what, the minimum. So that has to be what substituted for what 2 comma 4, that has to be stored into 2 comma 4. So We got that value for m of 2 comma 4, that will be the 60. Okay, and the corresponding k value, the 60 will occur if the split occur at what, a third. So that k value will be stored in the test table, that is a 3. Okay, so that 2 comma 4 corresponding 2 comma 4 will be what, 3. Correct. So now we completed that length equal to what, 3, length equal to 1 subproblems, length 2 subproblems, length 3 subproblems, everything is over. Now finally we need to what, find that L equal to what, 4 subproblems, length 4, that we have to what, find last. So in that sequence A1 to what, A2, A3, A4, okay, with the length 4 means what, only one possibility, A1 to what, A4, that is only one possibility. So what you need to calculate here is A1, A2, A3 and what, A4. So only one possibility. It means that we need to find m of what, 1 comma 4, that is a final one. So here it is an I and what, j. Now we are going to find what, the value for what, this one. Okay, that we are going to find. So here there is 4 possibilities. Okay, there is 4 possibilities here. One is that k equal to 1, sorry, 3 possibilities, k equal to 1, k equal to what, 2 and k equal to 3. So 3 possibilities. Okay, so k equal to 1, because I equal to what, 1 to j, I need to start the k from what, equal to 1, k equal to 2 up to what, k equal to 3, j minus 1. Okay, so k equal to 1 means actually we wanted to find A1, A2, A3 and A4. The split occur at what, first position. Okay, so then we need to find that m of what, 1 comma 1 plus m of 2 comma 4 plus, so pi minus 1, p0, and then pj is the p4, sorry, p4, and then in between the position, that is a p1. Okay, so that value, if you substitute, that value will be now taken from the table. So p is m0, 0, 1 comma 1 will be 0, 2 comma 4, 2 4, that is a 60 multiplications needed. Okay, and p0, p1 and p4, 0 1 4, 0 1 4, 5 3 6. Okay, 5 3 6, so 5 3 and then what, 6. So that answer will be 150. Okay, so 3 into 5 15, 15 into 6 90, 90 plus 60 150. Okay, so that is a possibility for here. And here k equal to 2 means A1, A2, A3, A4. The split occur at what, that 2. So it means that m of 1 comma 2, 1 to 2 plus m of what, 3 comma 4, that is a 3 comma 4, 3 to 4 plus pi minus 1, that is a p0, pj, p4, and then split position is a p2. Okay, so that what 5 6 and p2 will be what, 4. So 5 6 and then what, 4, 5 6 4, and these two values will be taken from the table. Okay, so if you look at the table, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, so 1 2 60. Okay, and 3 4, 3 4, okay, that is a 48, 3 4 48, 1 2 is what, 60. Okay, that 48 need to be substituted. So the final answer will be for this is 60, 48, 128. Here 20 into 6, 120, 120, 128, 228. So 2 2 8. Okay, so this is that. So the next possibility k equal to 3, that is a1, a2, a3 and a4 wanted to find. The split occur at what, the third position. Okay, so here m of what, 1 2 3 and then plus m of what, 4 2 4 and then pi minus 1, that is what, p0 and pj p4, that will be the same, but the split position is a 3, that is a p3. Okay, so now what will be the result? 1 comma 3, that will be taken from the table m1 comma 3 m1 3, that is 54, and here m4 comma 4, 4 comma 4 will be what, 0, 4 comma 4 will be what, 0. Then p0, p3 and p1, so this is 5 and this is 6, and p3 value, p3 will be what, 2. Okay, so p3 2. So now that answer is here 60 plus 54 114. So here that answer will be what, 114. Okay, so among these three, the minimum one will be what, this one, that is the 60, sorry, 114. So that is the minimum. Okay, that need to be what, chosen as a answer for m of 1 comma 4. So the minimum multiplication needed, that will be stored as what, 114, then what, here that corresponding k position, k equal to what, 3, that we have to what, store. The 114 we will get if the split occur at what, 3, so that we have what stored here. Okay, so now we completed that algorithm up to what, L equal to 4. So finally we wanted to find is this one, that we got. So this algorithm will return only the value stored in that 1 comma 4. So that will be returned as a result from that algorithm. Further we are going to what, design an algorithm. Okay, so this first algorithm will return only that minimum what, number of multiplications. As in the beginning, as we discussed, like what, the input is like this and output should be that minimum number of multiplications plus what, that fully parenthesized what, the matrix expression. Okay, so where we need to put the bracket, in which order the multiplication has to be done, that will be determined by what, putting the brackets properly. Okay, so one output we are getting, that is what, the minimum number of multiplication. How to get that corresponding what, the fully parenthesized matrix expressions. Okay, that is that if you know this only, what you will get, what, this result. So that also what has to be what, written as a result. Okay, so for that purpose only, okay, that is to print that expression, matrix expression, okay, as a fully parenthesized expression, that is an optimal parenthesization is putting. Okay, which is an optimal parenthesization. After that, what is the answer, fully parenthesized expression. To produce that output only, we are maintaining that table called what, S. Okay, so we are going to write another algorithm. This algorithm, what we explained, that algorithm will find the minimum, that is minimum number of multiplications. Okay, so that corresponding what, a split details are stored in what, that S is the split table. Okay, the split details are stored in the split S table. By using that S table, we can print that expression, that is a matrix expression, in that fully parenthesized format. Okay, for that we are going to what, write another algorithm, print a matrix. Okay, so that will print that corresponding what, order. Okay, so first we will discuss this algorithm, how to fill this M and S table. So M and S table is the result of this algorithm. In that, M of 1 comma 4 is a minimum multiplication. Okay, so first we will write this procedure. Let us start writing that algorithm for the matrix chain ordering. Okay, so algorithm MCO, and the input is that only that dimensions, okay, matrices dimensions in that array. So that P of what, 0 to up to what n is that input. Okay, so this is the input for the algorithm. So we given this array as an input. Okay. Then we need to what, create two matrices, that is M and what, S. So let M and N be the matrices. Be clear in the size. Size start with what, 1 to n, 1 to n. So 1 to n, 1 to n. Okay, so be the matrices. Okay. While converting that into the code, what you have to do is we have to create the two matrices with what, n plus 1, n plus 1. So that only we can occupy the space from 1 to n, because the index starts from what, 0 by default for the matrices in the programming languages. So here for the algorithm point of view, we have taken that exactly 1 to n, 1 to n like this. Okay, and first initial step is what, these two matrices are created. Then this length equal to 1, no need to what, apply this formula, just directly we can fill it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 up to what, n. So we need that n also. That n is what, the input, the size of the number of what, matrices, that is also what, input. Okay, so I have to what, fill for I equal to what, 1 to n, and do that following, that m of what, I comma ia need to be filled. No need to use two-dimensional array. Only what, 4 values has to be what, filled. That is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, like that. So I comma I, that needs to be initialized with the word 0. End for. That is the first step. So we have completed this one. That is length equal to what, 1 is over. Then we need to what, apply that formula, that is a k equal to I to what, j minus 1, and this value is what is the minimum. Okay, this procedures needs to be applied for length equal to 2, length equal to 3, and then what, length equal to what, 4. Okay, like that we need to apply that. Okay, so now you start with what, a for loop for L equal to what, 2, that is length equal to 2, to what, length equal to up to what, 4. 4 means it is equal to what, n, and do that following. So length equal to 2 to n, do the following. When length equal to 2 means there are the 3 values we have to determine, that is what, I comma j, 1 2, 2 3, and what, 3 4, like that we have to find. Okay, so I value will be what, like I equal to what, 1, okay, I value equal to 2, and I value equal to 3. So that is the first iteration. Okay, for each I value, that is I equal to 1 and 2 and then what, 3, like that we need to what, start when length equal to what, 2. And similarly what, for length equal to 3, so we need to what, execute only for I equal to 1 and I equal to what, 2. So this is I value, and here it is what, I value. Okay, so we need to be clear in that I values. Okay, how many I values, only 2 I values. Okay, and what is the corresponding j value, we can easily determine. When I is pointing to that one, corresponding j value is nothing but what, we are finding the value for length equal to 2. Length equal to 2 means the number of matrices between 1 and 2, only what, 2 matrices. Okay, so easily we can find that end index here, j. So the difference between that I and j must be what, only 1, because length equal to what, 2. Similarly, the difference when length equal to 3, if you know that I value I equal to 1, so what will be the j value means what, length equal to 3. So I plus L minus 1, so that is the j value. I plus L but minus 1, so I plus 2, 1 plus 2 minus 1, 2 will get, 2 plus 2 minus 1, 3 will get, 3 plus 2 minus 1, that is a 4 will get. So only the thing is what, the loop should be executed for how many i's. Okay, I equal to 1 2 3, here I equal to 1 and what, 2 alone. Okay, And in the last iteration, fourth, when L equal to 4, so that iteration only 1, I equal to 1 alone we have to what? Execute. So I need to be in each iteration L equal to 1 or sorry L equal to 2 or 3 or 4. For all this iteration, I should start with what? 1. Okay, here also what? 1. And here also what? 1. But what will be the end of that I value? So here 3 and here it is 2 and here end with what? 1 itself. So what is the end high value means that depending on what? The total that is a n value. That is depending on what? N and L, total number of elements and L length. So what here up to what? 3. It means that n minus L plus 1. So n is a 4. So 4 minus 2 is a 2 plus 1, it is a 3. We are getting. Here what? 4 is a L. 4 minus 3 plus 1. So 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So here also what? If you apply that I value, 4 minus 4, 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So the end index for that I is what? N minus L plus 1. So I need to start an iteration inside that for loop. Okay, I need to start an iteration inside the for loop like for I equal to what? Start with 1 to the end index up to what? N minus L plus what? 1 and do that following. Okay, so when L equal to 1, the loop will be executed for I equal to 1, I equal to 2 and I equal to 3. When L equal to 3, the loop will get executed for I equal to 1 and I equal to 2 alone. Okay, L equal to 3, I equal to 1 and 1 to 2 alone. And then that end index 2 to 4, 1 to 3, here 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 3 to 4. So it means that j value is depending on the length. Okay, so when I equal to pointing to that 1, the j equal to okay L, that is I plus L minus what? 1. So that what? When L equal to 2, okay, I equal to 1, 1 plus 2 minus 1. So you are getting the j value. When I pointing to 2, I plus 2, that is I plus L, that is 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1. So 3 plus 2 minus 1, like that you will get. Similarly here 1 plus 3 minus 1, that is what? 3 you will get. Okay, so j equal to what? I plus L minus 1. So now we are getting that I and j value. Now we need to find that m of ij values. Okay, so m of what? Ij value we have to find. For finding that m of ij value, we have many options. We have to what? Find this expression value for k equal to 1 and k equal to 2. Okay, similarly what? For L equal to 3 also the same. K equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to what? 3. So that options we need to find. So the number of options is what? Depending on the k values. The k values option started with what? As per that our formula, k equal to I plus 1 up to what? The j minus 1. So among that options we need to find the minimum one. So here I am going to find the minimum among these k options. Okay, so that we have to find that m of what? I comma j, that we initialize that with what? Infinity first. That is, we have to find the minimum only. So what? We are storing some infinity value initially. So now we are going to start that options. That is, we have to start on k. For k equal to what? Start from what? I to start from I to what? Up to what? J minus 1. So I to what? J minus 1 and do that following. Correct. So now we need to find this expression m of I comma k plus what? M of k plus 1 comma j plus p of I minus 1 pk and what? Pj. Like that we need to find that minimum one. That is this expression. So we need to find, we have to apply that formula m of I comma j. So that means what? I comma k plus m of k plus 1 comma what j plus we have to find that p of what k I minus 1, this one p I minus 1 pk pj. So p of what I minus 1 into p of k into p what j. Okay, so that need to be what calculated, and that has to be what stored as what a q. Now I need to check. We are assumed that what I comma j minimum is infinity initially. Now if this q is that minimum, that we have to what update it. So we have to check that if that q is less than that m of what existing I comma j, then we have to what update that m of what I comma j. So m of what that I comma j now updated with what q. Okay, while updating that m of I comma j, parallelly what we need to update that s array also. That s array is nothing but what that need to be filled with the split position. Split position means what? The k value. So the k value has to be copied into what? S of I comma j. Okay, while updating that m of ij, we need to update that s of what ij also. So s of I comma j also filled with what? The split position. Split position means what? That k. So that has to be what? Updated with the k. Okay, so now we have to complete this end if, and then we have to what? Complete that for. Okay, and then we need to what? Complete that this for. This for and this for. So 3 nested for loops. Okay, so this for is ended here. So that 3 for loops has to be what? Ended, closed, corresponding. Okay, so now at the end of this, okay, all this m and s will get what? Filled. Okay, that m and s will get what? Filled. So this algorithm is going to what? Return these tables. Okay, this is not the result. This algorithm just returning that table. Okay, so that what? Another algorithm will print that what? Parenthesized matrix expression. Okay, and it will show that m of what? 1 comma 4. Our required result will be there in that matrices. So just it is returning this m and s values from here. Okay, so we complete. Return m and what? Yes, this will be the result, and end MCO algorithm. That's all. So what this algorithm is end. This is actually what? Find the table. So now we are going to write another algorithm, print MCO. That is what? We wanted to print another result. That is, if this is given like array is given, means we need to what? Print this 54 as well as what? This result. Okay, this output we have to what? Print. For printing this output, what? We are going to write another algorithm, print MCO. Okay, so the print MCO algorithm input is this table. What table we obtained from that algorithm MCO? That table. And for which sequence we need to what? Print the fully parenthesized expression I comma what j. Okay, actually what? If we want to find write the expression for what? 1 comma 4, m of what? 1 comma 4, we need to call what? Print MCO of s comma 1 comma what? 4. It means that A1 to A4 for this sequence, what is the parenthesization we have to give like that. Okay, for any size sub problem we can call it. Okay, for multiplying first three matrices, what is the parenthesized expression, it will return it, that corresponding. Okay, it will refer the table and return it. Okay, so that I comma j we have to what, pass. Okay, so here that algorithm is very simple. It is using the recursive procedure. If I equal to what, j, okay, I equal to j means then just print that only, that is that is s comma 1 means what, we have to print a1 alone. Okay, that is, if you are passing, if you want to find this three matrices fully parenthesized like this, means for these three matrices we need to pass I value is 1, I value is what, 3 like that. Correct. Suppose here I equal to 1, it means that if you are passing 1 comma 1 means 2 comma 2 or 3 comma 3, I and j are the equal, means only one matrices are there. So that matrix needs to be what, printed. Okay, as it is, that is what, with the index a1. So print a with I or j. Okay, like that, just what, print. So the character a, that is, we are assuming that matrix start with that a1, a2, a3. So a, and then we need to print that I value. Okay, so a1, a2, like that it will be printed. So 1 comma 1 means it will print what, a1. 2 comma 2 means it will print what, a2 alone. Okay, so else we need to print one parenthesis. Okay, one parenthesis and end with one close parenthesis. Print close parenthesis. Okay, in between, okay, in between we need to print what, call the print MCO of s comma I2 what, I2 what, s of what, I comma j, s of what, I comma j. So we need to print that parenthesis expression from I to what, s of I comma j. So then we have to print MC, we have to call that recursively MCO of s comma this I comma j, s of I comma j plus 1 to what, j. We have to call for what, s of I comma j plus 1 to what, j, like that we have to call it. And end if, and what, end print MCO. So okay, so this is the algorithm for printing that fully parenthesized what, the matrix operation, a multiplication operation. So we will see an example for this. So consider this. Okay, we obtained the minimum multiplication, number of multiplication 1 and 4. For which expression we are getting this one, we have to what, use this algorithm print MCO. Okay, so here by using this table only we are going to what, obtain that sequence. So for that 1 comma 4 we have to call that algorithm, that is print MCO of what, s comma 1 comma what, 4, like that we have to what, use. Okay, so here actually the s contains what, the split position. Correct, the split position. So I need to, there are two expressions actually, that is for example I comma j, this is I and j. 1 comma 4 means s of 1 comma 4, it tells where the split has to be occur initially. So 1 comma 4 value is what, 3. So the initial split has to be occur at what, 3. So s of 1 comma j value is 3. The split occur at exactly at what, 3. It means that a1 to this 3 is a left side. So 3 plus 1 to what, the j on the right side. Correct. So for that only in that algorithm we used the left side is what, this I to what, s of ij, sorry, s comma I comma what, s of I comma j, that is I to s of I comma j, like that we have given. So that what the split occur at what, 3, so it will be in the left side, that is I to what, this 3 is in the left side, this 3 plus 1 to j on what, right side. So that only as per this algorithm s and I and j is not equivalent. So what, there are 3, 1, it will print this one. Okay, so in that output screen it will be printed like this. Okay, and then next one is that PMCO of s comma 1 comma, there is IA 1 comma 1 comma 4 value in that s, from that s. So 1 comma 4 value in that s is what, 3. So 1 comma what, 3. So 1 comma 3, that matrices has to be printed, so that we have to call it. Okay, after that I need to what, print the right side matrices by using the same algorithm, PMCO of s comma this 3 plus 1, okay, that is a 4 comma what, j4. Okay, 4 comma 4 we have to print, correct? As per that algorithm, that 3 plus 1, that is a 4, j value is what, a 4, like that you have to print. And finally only we have to print what, the close parenthesis. Okay, like that we have to what, continue that algorithm. First it will print this one, it will be there in that output screen. Next it will execute this one. In this execute, I and j are different. I and j are different means what, again there is a open parenthesis. So open parenthesis will be printed on the screen. Okay, this is will be this one. After that what, it will call that PMCO, that is 1 to 3 has to be printed. So 1 comma 3, that split position, for 1 comma 3 that corresponding split position is what, 1, that information in that array. So 1 comma 3, the split position is what, 1. So I need to call what, PSO s comma 1 to what, 1. Another call is what, PMCO of, print MCO of what, s comma this 1 plus 1, 2 to what, 3. After that what, I have to print that close parenthesis. Okay, so this will be printed later. So now come to this one, this will be completed, after that one it will go here. So now come to this one, 1 comma 1, I and j will be the same. So I and j will be the same means, okay, so what will be printed in that screen here, I and j means just it will print a with what, that index I. So what, here just it will print a with what, 1. So that will be printed on that screen. So a1 will be what, printed on the screen. Okay, so it will not called recursively. Then it will go to this statement. This statement 2 comma 3 both are different. So what it will call, like what, open parenthesis. So what, another parenthesis will be printed on the screen. After that what, PMCO of what, s comma 2 comma and 2 to 3. Okay, so for 2 to 3 the split position is stored in that array. Okay, and that matrix S. So s of 2 comma 3, just to refer that s of 2 comma 3, what is the split position, s of 2 comma what, 3, the split position is what, actually this 2. Okay, so that we have to what, mention here. After that another call is what, PMCO of s comma this 2 plus 1, that is a 3 comma, that the j value is a 3 comma 3. After that what, close parenthesis. Okay, that will be printed last. So now what, so 2 comma 2 I and j will be the same, so it will print what, a2. So what, after printing this one it will print what, a2. Okay, then what, it will print that a3, 3 and 3 both are the same, so it will print what, a3. So it is going to print that a3. Okay, after that what, close parenthesis. Okay, so this is over, then return to the caller, again what, another close parenthesis. So that what, this will be what, closed. So this is over, then return to the caller. The next what, 4 comma 4 means what, it will print that a4, correct? So what, this A4 will be printed on the screen. Okay, A4. Then finally what? This close parenthesis. So that close parenthesis will be printed. Okay, so your expression will be what? Like this. This is your final expression. Okay, so if you follow this order, okay, if you follow this order, you will get what? The minimum multiplication is what? 114. Okay, so that split positions are recorded in the test table. By using that test table, we are printing that sequence. So this is the optimal parenthesized expression for the matrix multiplication for our input. Okay, so this will be printed on the screen when we call. Okay, so try to understand this dynamic programming approach for what? The MCO, matrix chain ordering. Okay, again we started with the smaller size problems and it is recorded. This is main point. And finally what? For finding the L equal to 4, that is our main objective. Okay, for finding that, we utilized that existing what? The subproblem solutions. By using that solutions, we have calculated the minimum multiplication for what? Length equal to 4 for our problem. Okay, so try to understand how it is called as a dynamic programming approach, and try to understand the dynamic programming. Try to understand the difference between that what divide and conquer and dynamic programming.